Acculturate. Acculturate.
Acculturate.
Menyesuaikan diri dengan budaya yang baru atau kebiasaan baru.
Acculturation. Acculturation.
Acculturation.
Akulturasi, penyesuaian diri.
Accumulate. Accumulate.
Accumulate.
Mengumpulkan, menghimpun.
Accumulate. Accumulate.
Accumulate.
Bertumpuk sedikit demi sedikit, mengumpul. Contohnya,
Dust accumulates on the table. Dust accumulates on the table.
Dust accumulates on the table.
debu bertumpuk sedikit demi sedikit di atas meja.
Accumulation. Accumulation.
Accumulation.
Pengumpulan, penghimpunan, penimbunan. Contohnya,
Accumulation of knowledge. Accumulation of knowledge.
Accumulation of knowledge.
pengumpulan, pengetahuan. Contoh lainnya,
Accumulation of capital. Accumulation of capital.
Accumulation of capital.
pengumpulan modal.
Accumulation. Accumulation.
Accumulation.
Timbunan. Contohnya,
Accumulation of dust. Accumulation of dust.
Accumulation of dust.
timbunan debu.
Accuracy. Accuracy.
Accuracy.
Ketelitian, seksama. Contohnya,
Accuracy of a report. Accuracy of a report.
Accuracy of a report.
ketelitian, suatu laporan.
Accuracy. Accuracy.
Accuracy.
Kecermatan, ketepatan. Contohnya,
The accuracy of his shooting was amazing. The accuracy of his shooting was amazing.
The accuracy of his shooting was amazing.
ketepatan, menembaknya, menakjubkan.
Accurate. Accurate.
Accurate.
Teliti, cermat, seksama. Contohnya,
An accurate bookkeeper. An accurate bookkeeper.
An accurate bookkeeper.
seorang pemegang buku yang teliti.
Accurate. Accurate.
Accurate.
Tepat. Contohnya,
That's not an accurate statement. That's not an accurate statement.
That's not an accurate statement.
pernyataan itu tidak tepat. Contoh lainnya,
My watch is seldom accurate. My watch is seldom accurate.
My watch is seldom accurate.
jam saya jarang tepat.
Accurately. Accurately.
Accurately.
Dengan teliti, seksama, tepat.
Accurateness. Accurateness.
Accurateness.
Ketelitian, keseksamaan.
Accursed. Accursed.
Accursed.
Terkutuk, keparat. Contohnya,
Accursed devil. Accursed devil.
Accursed devil.
setan, terkutuk. Contoh lainnya,
Accursed child. Accursed child.
Accursed child.
anak, keparat,
accusation, accusation,
accusation,
tuduhan, penuduhan, pendakwaan, dakwa. Contohnya,
what is the accusation against him? What is the accusation against him?
what is the accusation against him?
apa tuduhan terhadap dia?
Accusative, accusative,
Accusative,
Akusatif, penderita, kasus keempat. Contohnya,
accusative case, accusative case,
accusative case,
kasus keempat.
accuse, accuse,
accuse,
Menuduh. Contohnya,
she was accused of taking the money. She was accused of taking the money.
she was accused of taking the money.
ia dituduh mengambil uang itu.
Accuse, accuse,
Accuse,
Menyalahkan. Contohnya,
he will accuse you of doing it wrong. He will accuse you of doing it wrong.
he will accuse you of doing it wrong.
ia akan menyalahkanmu karena telah salah melakukannya.
The accused, the accused,
The accused,
Terdakwa, tertuduh. Contohnya,
the accused man, the accused man,
the accused man,
seorang terdakwa laki-laki.
accuser, accuser,
accuser,
Pendakwa, penuduh.
accustom, accustom,
accustom,
Membiasakan, menyesuaikan. Contohnya,
to accustom oneself ears to the noise. To accustom oneself ears to the noise.
to accustom oneself ears to the noise.
membiasakan telinganya dengan keributan.
Accustomed, accustomed,
Accustomed,
Biasa. Contohnya,
I am not accustomed to going to his house. I am not accustomed to going to his house.
I am not accustomed to going to his house.
saya tidak biasa datang ke rumahnya. Contoh lainnya,
He took his accustomed seat at the head of the table. He took his accustomed seat at the head of the table.
He took his accustomed seat at the head of the table.
ia mengambil tempat duduknya yang biasa di ujung meja.
Accustomed, accustomed,
Accustomed,
Membiasakan diri. Contohnya,
he got accustomed to studying every night. He got accustomed to studying every night.
he got accustomed to studying every night.
ia membiasakan diri untuk belajar tiap malam.
Ace, ace,
Ace,
Bridge.
ace, ace,
ace,
Pukulan servis yang tidak dapat dikembalikan. Contohnya,
to serve an ace. To serve an ace.
to serve an ace.
memukul servis yang tidak dapat dikembalikan.
Ace, Ace.
Ace.
Ahli, jempolan, jago. Contohnya,
He's an ace at soccer. He's an ace at soccer.
He's an ace at soccer.
ia seorang pemain sepak bola yang ahli.
Ace in the hole. Ace in the hole.
Ace in the hole.
Senjata ampuh baginya.
To have an ace up oneself sleeve. To have an ace up oneself sleeve.
To have an ace up oneself sleeve.
Mempunyai kartu AS sebagai cadangan untuk memenangkan permainan.
Within an ace of. Within an ace of.
Within an ace of.
Hampir, nyaris. Contohnya,
The car came within an ace of hitting him. The car came within an ace of hitting him.
The car came within an ace of hitting him.
ia hampir ditabrak mobil itu.
Within an ace of. Within an ace of.
Within an ace of.
Ulung. Contohnya,
Ace pilot. Ace pilot.
Ace pilot.
penerbang yang ulung.
Within an ace of. Within an ace of.
Within an ace of.
Memukul servis yang tidak dapat dikembalikan oleh lawan. Contohnya,
To ace oneself opponent. To ace oneself opponent.
To ace oneself opponent.
mengalahkan lawannya dengan pukulan servis yang mematikan.
Acerbity. Acerbity.
Acerbity.
Rasa masam.
Acerbity. Acerbity.
Acerbity.
Kemarahan. Contohnya,
The acerbity of his remark astounded me. The acerbity of his remark astounded me.
The acerbity of his remark astounded me.
ucapannya yang pedas itu mengejutkan saya.
Acetate. Acetate.
Acetate.
Asetat, asam cuka.
Acetic. Acetic.
Acetic.
Yang bersifat asetat. Contohnya,
Acetic acid. Acetic acid.
Acetic acid.
asam asetat.
Acetylene. Acetylene.
Acetylene.
Asetilen, gas karbit. Contohnya,
Acetylene torch. Acetylene torch.
Acetylene torch.
lampu asetilen, api los karbit.
Ache. Ache.
Ache.
Sakit. Contohnya,
His aches and pains are many. His aches and pains are many.
His aches and pains are many.
banyak macam penyakitnya. Contoh lainnya,
My tooth aches. My tooth aches.
My tooth aches.
gigiku sakit.
Ache. Ache.
Ache.
Rindu. Contohnya,
My heart aches for you. My heart aches for you.
My heart aches for you.
Hati saya rindu padamu.
Ache. Ache.
Ache.
Ingin sekali. Contohnya,
I am aching to go along. I am aching to go along.
I am aching to go along.
saya ingin sekali ikut. Contoh lainnya,
After that work, I ache all over. After that work, I ache all over.
After that work, I ache all over.
sesudah pekerjaan itu, saya merasa pegal seluruh badan.
Aching. Aching.
Aching.
Sakit, sakit-sakitan. Contohnya,
Aching back. Aching back.
Aching back.
punggung yang sakit.
Achieve. Achieve.
Achieve.
Mencapai. Contohnya,
To achieve success. To achieve success.
To achieve success.
mencapai sukses.
Achievement. Achievement.
Achievement.
Prestasi. Contohnya,
A technical achievement. A technical achievement.
A technical achievement.
suatu prestasi teknis.
Achy. Achy.
Achy.
Sakit. Contohnya,
I feel achy. I feel achy.
I feel achy.
saya merasa sakit. Belajar bahasa Inggris akan lebih mudah bila mengerti artinya. Di Kata Kamus, kosakata bahasa Inggris disajikan berurutan, mulai dari huruf A hingga Z, sehingga mudah dimengerti. Kata Kamus bukan kata saya.